Well, the time has come that I am finally leaving California and this Pacific Ocean area. Well, I had to get a cabin real quick here in a good old KOA because, as you guys know, I now have 2 Jeeps, and I had to figure out how to drive both of the Jeeps and get them to Vegas. And my amazing friend here, Mike, I've been friends with Mike out in Vegas for a very long time. He was nice enough to fly out here so he could drive one of the, he's gonna drive the baby Jeep. I guess it's a teenager now because I did get like a little bit bigger tires. And then I could drive the other Jeep back to Vegas. So it was the easiest way to do it. And yes, I had to get a cabin at the good old KOA. And the reason why I had to get a cabin is, well, both the Jeeps are just packed with things right now. I took the hard cases off the top of my Jeep over here. They're inside of the Jeep. So therefore, literally both the Jeeps are just packed with things. And so I'm not set up to go and camp at a campground right now. Except for the KOA in a cabin. So that's what I'm going to be doing when I get back to Vegas, is transitioning these Jeeps. Going to be turning this one back into my toy. She's pretty much already set up for that. I just got to take all this overlanding stuff off of her. And turning this one into my overlanding full-time traveling tiny home Jeep. And see, I got new tires already on it. I went with 33 KO2s, 33-inch KO2s. Best tires ever. So yeah, so today we're gonna head down to the beach and play tourist. Mike is here for the whole, he got here last night, and then he's just here for this whole entire day, and then we leave in the morning. And so I figure, you know, we'll go play tours today since he hasn't been in this area. We'll go check out the beach, check out this really cool ship that's abandoned down there, and then see what else we can find today and try to squeeze it all into one day. So yeah, thanks Mike for coming out and helping me drive the Jeeps back, because that would have been a miracle, me trying to drive both of these Jeeps back. Yeah. All right, let's load up, go start our day, see what we can find to get into. Well, made it back to the beach one last time because, of course, Mike wanted to come and see the beach and the ocean and the coast and all that. And so, you know, I wasn't going to make him drive fly all the way out here to drive one of the Jeeps back to Vegas for me and not let him come and enjoy this right here. But the part of the beach that we're at right now is Sea Cliff State Beach. And this is off of Monterey Bay in Altos. And this state beach is really not a lot of stuff, like not too much to it. There's a lot of homes, and I think there's a couple of stores and shops and restaurants up the road. But what this beach is known for is the SS Palo Alto, and it's a cement ship from World War I, just out there in the middle of the ocean. But unfortunately, this is as close as we can get. So it's way out there, and I'm not swimming today. I'm just not doing it. I'm scared of the ocean anyways. So it's pretty cool. The SS Palo Alto. The SS Palo Alto, which is that ship out there, was a concrete ship built as a tanker at the end of World War I, completed too late to see war service. She was mothballed until 1929, when she was intentionally grounded off of Sea Cliff State Beach in the Monterey Bay, becoming part of a pleasure pier entertainment complex. Palo Alto was damaged by the sea, leading her to be stripped and used only as a fishing pier. Decades have seen her be further broken by the sea, but large sections of her wreck remain somewhat indistinct. So there actually used to be a boardwalk that used to go all the way out there, and then the ship was at the end of the boardwalk. But due to a lot of storms over the last decades of years, the boardwalk ended up being destroyed. And then, as you guys can see, there's tons of birds and pelicans just covered all over the cement ship and everything. And so that probably destroyed a lot of that right there also. I wish the boardwalk was still here. The SS Palo Alto was built by the San Francisco Shipbuilding Company at the U.S. Naval Shipyard in Oakland, California. She was launched on May 29, 1919. Too late to see service in the war, though. It was mothballed in Oakland until 1929, when she was bought by the Seacliff Amusement Corporation and then towed to the Seacliff State Beach. A pier was built leading to the ship in 1930, and she was sunken a few feet in the water so that her keel rested on the bottom. There, she was refitted as an amusement ship with amenities including a dance floor, a swimming pool, and a cafe. So it's actually pretty cool because I know it's kind of hard to see from this far, and I just tried to zoom in and everything, but it does look like a lot of it is intact, which is crazy. It's just crazy, all those birds. My friend Mike was like, you know, they probably have this as a bird sanctuary now, and he's got a point, so. The ship ended up cracking at the midsection during a winter storm. The state of California purchased the ship then, and she was stripped of her fittings and left as a fishing pier. That actually probably would have been pretty cool to see back in the day. She was a popular site for recreational fishing, but eventually she deteriorated to the point where she was unsafe for this purpose, and she was closed to the public in 1950. Well, I wasn't alive in 1950, so. Following an attempt at restoration in the 1980s, she reopened for fishing for a few years, but then closed again. The fishing pier opened to foot traffic once again in the summer of 2016, but later closed again for repairs. That's pretty cool. It was like a cruise ship out there. A cement ship. How does that not sink into the ocean?
What you doing, little one? Little one, what you smell? Are you trying to build a sandcastle? Little one, you trying to build a sandcastle? Little one, Mama's talking to you. Hello, hello. Oh, okay, that's good. Good job. Little one, little one, little one, little one, little one, little one. Hey, dog. Well, she is just loving all the smells. Hey. Hello, You want a treat? Oh, I don't have any with me. Sorry. Look at all. That's the only way she will acknowledge me. She loves the beach, though. She hates that water, but she loves the beach.
One thing I used to love, see the guy back there fishing? I used to love sitting in the mornings, watching the guys all lined up along this ocean and fishing. They just looked so peaceful. I think that's why I liked it so much. I don't know how many fish they can catch that close, or what kind of fish, but they were catching them. Mike's on dog duty while I'm trying to film. I know, change the scenery. Look at this. All the green, no ocean, and blue. Well, you can see the blue skies up there through the trees. But since my buddy is here for just one day, I figure I should try to show him as much as possible around this area. And, you know, over here on the coast of California, it's also known for their big, huge redwood trees. So, brought him out here to the Forest of Nicene Marks. And well, I'm not going to film this area because I've already done a whole video of this whole entire area of all these beautiful, huge redwood trees. What you think, Mike?
Don't see a whole lot of this in Vegas.
Definitely don't see this in Vegas.
It's beautiful. It's really cool because, like I said, these forests are, God, who knows, hundreds of years old for them to get to this point. So it's really cool to be able to check out and see for yourself. So if you ever get a chance, come out here.
And this was literally only 7 miles away from the coast. So we went from the ocean, the beautiful ocean, and then just drove 7 miles to all this right here. All these beautiful redwood trees.
Pretty amazing.
And if you'd like to see this awesome place, because I did a whole entire video of it, just go back, I think it's like maybe a month ago, just start scrolling down through my videos and look for the Forest of Nicene Marks. I think I have it titled something to do with the largest trees on earth, the redwood trees. If you haven't seen the video, you definitely have to check it out. Beautiful area. He looks like such a tourist.
Because I am.
And to think that I'm not from here and I'm being a tour guide today. There we go. All right, let's go check out some big trees.
I'm gonna end this video with me and my buddy Mike are about to go take a walk around this awesome little KOA, and we're on a search for pink flamingos.
Yeah.
You ready to go find some pink flamingos, buddy?
Sure. Let's see if the rumors are true.
If you guys don't know what pink flamingos mean in the campgrounds with campers, figure it out.
You're in for a surprise.
Now, we are not on the search for pink flamingos because of that reason, but we're just curious to know if there's pink flamingo people in this family campground.
Yeah. See how family friendly this is.
Little one, do you want to go find some pink flamingos? Are you ready to go find pink flamingos? If you meet a doggy, look, don't listen to me because this is very important, okay? Can you sit and listen? Okay, listen. If you meet a doggy while we're out there on the walk and that doggy has like a pink flamingo shirt or sweater on, run. Run. Just run really, really far. Don't try to make friends, okay?
Run away, run away.
You know, for the ones that can't figure out also what the meaning for the pink flamingos and campers mean. For the ones that do know, if you want to leave it in the comments section below and help these people know what that's all about. And try to explain it in a G-rated format. Oh, and then apparently we got to look for sponges. Apparently we have to look for bath sponges also that are hanging at their campsites. Yeah, that was a new one that I learned. I apparently no longer can hang my bath sponge on the outside of my Jeep to let it dry off anymore. Okay, we are going to walk around this family campground and look for pink flamingos and bath sponges. It's like a treasure hunt. Film looking for pink flamingos. I don't see any pink flamingos yet. No pink flamingos. No bath sponges hanging from things. Oh, wait till you see this rig up here. I saw it the other day. Little one, find the pink flamingos. Dude, I'm gonna crack up laughing if I find pink flamingos. Look at this rig right there.
Those are nuts.